In a small, quiet town, there lived a smart and kind boy. He had everything: loving parents, great teachers, good friends. But he had one big problem. He was always lazy. When his mom said, "Clean your room," he said, "Later, Mom." When his teacher gave homework, he thought, "I have time." When friends asked him to learn something new, he said, "Maybe tomorrow." Days became weeks. Weeks became months. His friends learned new things, got better grades, and grew. But he stayed in the same place, always waiting for the perfect time. One day, after failing another exam, the boy went to a wise old sage. The sage smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story. Once, a kind king told a poor man, 'Tomorrow morning, come to my palace. From sunrise to sunset, you can take as much gold as you want. But after sunset, the gates will close forever.'" The poor man was so happy. He thought, "I'll be rich." But the next morning, he said, "I'll go after breakfast." Then after eating, he said, "Let me rest a bit." He took a nap and woke up when the sun was already high. He ran toward the palace, but stopped again to rest under a shady tree. By the time he woke up, the sun was setting. He ran as fast as he could, but the palace gates had closed. The treasure was gone, forever. The sage looked at the boy and said, "Every day is like that treasury. Each sunrise brings you chances to learn and grow, but once the day ends, those chances never come back." The boy understood. He realized he had been like that poor man, always thinking he had more time. From that day on, he changed. He stopped saying later. He did his work on time, helped others, learned new things, and soon became one of the best students in school. Years later, when people asked for his secret, he said, "I learned time is the only treasure we truly have." Remember, successful people and unsuccessful people both get 24 hours. The difference is how they use it. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because the best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time is now. If this story touched your heart and opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs this message. Like this video if it motivated you, and subscribe to our channel, where we empower you to live your best self every day.